Hello and welcome, new and old subscribers. If you are a visitor, subscribe now. And if this is your first time, I'm thrilled that you're here. Let's get this Dollar Tree haul started. First up, we have wood decor, and it says the word believe. It is gorgeous, and it has that Christmas plaid in the back. It's giving like believe, so it'd be nice decor. You can leave as is, or you can stain it, maybe like a walnut color or white, whatever matches your decor. And then they also have faith, and this one has kind of like a Christmassy background as well. You can keep it as is or paint it to fit your decor as well again. Next up, we have these beautiful, beautiful bags that Dollar Tree has, shopping cardio and different words. So if you need a quick bag and not quite just, the shopping ones, but like an in-between one, they have the different colors, burgundy, blue, black, yellow, orange, all these blue, different colors for you to enjoy. Do you like coffee? Well, they have a coffee mat as the coffee cup, the iced coffee, the lattes, just the plain regular coffee as well. You can put that in your kitchen, or you can even cut it and make different creative ideas using wood as background, whatever you like. Then with wood, next up we have these kind of like wood tags. The first one says relax, but you can always sand that down and paint over and create something else. The other one, I think it's like nautical. I'm not sure if you can break off the nautical marks in there, but if not, you can always flip it over and use the back side for your craft project. I know I showed these before, but they're back again. They are by Crafter Square. They're a divided case. So I'm opening up to show you how it is divided. You can take out the dividers if you want, or just leave them as is, or adjust them any way you need it. Name brand, we have Wizard Room Deodorizer in the scent Peppermint Twist. Perfect timing around Christmas. People usually like the smell of peppermint or eat peppermints around that time. Next, we have pumpkin spice and everything nice. And ladies, a lot of people like their pumpkin spice lattes. Um, some people even like it like a frappuccino, like it's still like a little chilly. I like it warm and hot on a cold day. I usually try to get one, maybe 1 to 2 a season, not a season, a year. Well, a season, I guess, usually fall and winter, maybe like one in the fall and maybe one in the winter. Just enough, but not too much. We have body scrubs. This one is called Love Struck Body Scrub, and it's a dupe of, I think, Victoria's Secret. And this one is Cherry Blossom Body Scrub. And I believe it's probably similar to Victoria's Secret or Bed Bath and Beyond, probably. And Vanilla Sugar Scent. They're probably all three close to maybe just dupes of other name brand items. Yes, these chips are by Goya, and they're called Toaston chips. I think that's how you pronounce it. And this one is the original, seasoned with sea salt. Wow. And I actually tried the original one, and I was a little impressed. I actually like it. Sometimes I get these new chips from Dollar Tree, and I'm like, ugh, not too good. But this one, I will buy again. It's a buy again item. And also they have the garlic one. I think I want to try the garlic one next time to see how it tastes and see if it's better than the original or the garlic. And let me know in the comment section which kind of chip would you like, the original or the garlic? Yes, I don't know if it was earlier this week or last week's video. I showed you several different seasonings from Dollar Tree, and we have a few more. We have a vinegar sea salt, and I was thinking if you have plain vanilla, plain potato chips, and sprinkle the vinegar sea salt, would it give it that same taste as the vinegar, salt and vinegar chips? Just an idea. Next, we have the hot Nashville chicken seasoning. So if you want a little kick in your chicken, try the hot Nashville chicken seasoning. It's up for you to try. And then finally, we have the garlic salt with parsley. It's been around for some time, but if you're trying to limit your salt intake, it may be better if you just use garlic powder and add a little parsley to give it maybe a similar taste. How many of you were Oakland Raiders fans? Let me know in the comment section down below. Now that the Raiders have moved to Las Vegas, now we have the Las Vegas Raider items. This is a ceramic coaster for all you Raiders fans, and you can buy several of them. And football season is here, or is it around the corner, or it's almost here? So you can show off your Raiders fans decor. Now it's time for our Dollar Plus section. It may include one, two, or even more Dollar Plus items for you to enjoy. We have the Energizer Max batteries. They are $5. I think $3 to $5, but I know these particular C batteries are $5. So if you want name brand batteries, they have them available for you to enjoy. We have these Triscuits, the original made with sea salt, baked with 100% whole grain wheat, and it's supposed to be quality. And I believe these are definitely over $1.25. And then we have this giant coloring roll activity. You roll it out and it has activities for you to enjoy. It's $3. Great item that's coming up for the holidays for, for busybody. If you want your children to have activities and you're trying to get some things done, roll out the activity roll and see how busy they stay. Well, everyone, this is all I have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Subscribe. Go back and watch all my videos, my Dollar Tree hauls, my Daiso hauls, my reviews, and everything else that I have. And make sure you tell a friend to join and subscribe. Like I always say, be blessed until next time and be better than yesterday.